puppy word hunt game. Look at these adorable puppies. Can you find all 20 words hidden in the picture? Find the word puppies. Puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Puppies. Find the word eyes. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Find the word nose. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Find the word mouth. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Find the word whiskers. Whiskers. W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S. Whiskers. Find the word paws. Paws. P-A-W-S. Paws. Find the word claws. Claws. C-L-A-W-S. Claws. Find the word perky ears. Perky ears. P-E-R-K-Y. E-A-R-S. Perky ears. Find the word floppy ears. Floppy ears. F-L-O-P-P-Y. E-A-R-S. Floppy ears. Find the word tail. Tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Find the word short fur. Short fur. S-H-O-R-T. F-U-R. Short fur. Find the word long fur. Long fur. L-O-N-G-F-U-R, long fur. Find the word ball. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. Find the word rope toy. Rope toy, R-O-P-E-T-O-Y, rope toy. Find the word dog toy. Dog toy, D-O-G-T-O-Y, dog toy. Find the word grass. Grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Find the word cute. Cute, C-U-T-E, cute. Find the word adorable. Adorable, A-D-O-R-A-B-L-E, adorable. Find the word soft. Soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Find the word shadow. Shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. That's it for today. How many words did you find? Tell me in the comments.